Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you this recipe for coconut and date balls. So you can use it as a weight gain snack if you're trying to gain weight, or it also can be used as a party snacks. So keep on watching. So these are the ingredients. You need 250 grams dates, butter, Marie biscuits, 1 egg, vanilla essence, sugar, and the coconut for coating. So first of all, you just crush your biscuits, the Marie biscuits, and set them aside. Melt your butter and sugar together. When your butter and sugar are melted, you just add your dates and cook them until they're soft. Then you mix your egg and 2 teaspoons of your vanilla essence, so you can use 1 tablespoon. Then you blend the dates until they're smooth, and then I add the mixture, the vanilla essence and egg mixture, so that it's a little bit runny. Then you add your crushed biscuits. And then when you're done mixing, you start making them into round shapes. Shape them into balls. And then you just coat them with the coconut. And then when you're done making the shapes, you just leave them in the fridge for an hour so that they harden. Or you can keep them in the freezer if you don't want to use them like the same day. You can keep them for a very long time, 2 weeks in the freezer, if you don't want to use all of them at once. So yeah, that's it guys. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.